Okay, so this is an RCA VHS camcorder. I haven't turned this on in a couple of days. I'm hoping that it works as well as it did as when I had it. So, let's check this out. This goes into the battery slot. Gotta make sure this is aligned with the cover that is right there. So there we go, it's aligned. Now we gotta make sure this is set to camera. Now we can turn it on. And there you go. Now the refresh rate doesn't match, so it doesn't look like that in person. It actually looks very smooth, but all I'm getting is a white screen, so that's one problem. And I later on noticed that when I tried to eject, that is all it does, and I can't open it. So what I'm going to have to do is make sure all the belts are good. And also I can't switch to playback. I don't know why, because this also works as a VCR. Anyway, let's check that out. Inside, and each of them had the texture of Play-Doh by the time I was done with it. I guess it had been laying in there for a little too long. Okay, so I grabbed one of these tiny black rubber bands that focus, whatever. And I put it in there where the previous one had liquefied, and that seems to be doing well. Next one is this one. I think I'm gonna have to put two there because there was one surrounding the disc, and I had to take that all off, including one right here going over here. Let's see how that goes. Okay, so the way I got it in there, I had to hold it down with this and roll the big rubber band around. That's right over here. It's very hard to see, but it goes. And I wrapped it around that. I pulled it all the way to this, and I rolled it around to make sure it was set. And then I put this one. And there you go. There you have it. And so now you have to put the protector on so that way the wires don't mess with it. That should fit nice and flush in between. Okay, so now I have the circuit board back on. I put these two little headers back. I put that one. I had to realign those. And do you see there's that thing over here? You have to make sure all the wires are in there, or else they'll get caught in the mechanism that opens the tape. And make sure you have your ground ready to be screwed on when you're done. There we go, it's ejected. And I think that's what we've been looking for. Thank you guys for watching. I'll do another video on the CRT later.